Hey everyone and welcome to the 6th devlog of Victus. Last 2 weeks I did a few different things, so let's jump right into the devlog. First, I started implementing a new ability called Translocate. Translocate teleports the player forward. For this, I implemented a new ability type, created a fitting VFX graph, made a sound for the ability, and the ability was basically done. Right now, the new ability looks like this. Now, with leap backwards, translocate and sprint done, I'll pause creating movement abilities for now and go on to other things, like proper shield abilities, self-healing abilities and more. If you have any ideas for other movement abilities, be sure to tell me in the comments below or on the Discord, link is in the description below. Next up, I wanted to implement something I always wanted for this game, and this is weather and time synchronization between the server and the clients. So I added that every server at startup decides, based on an XML setting, which time and weather is set on the server right now. If the setting is not specified, it randomly chooses weather and time. When a client joins the server and is authenticated, the server sends a weather sync to the client. Then, the client sets weather and time accordingly, and now we have varying weather in the game. Hey, by the way, if you're still watching, please consider pressing that wonderful subscribe button and liking the video, it would make my day. At last, I started working on smoothing out the player position. During testing and looking at the server load, I noticed that I synchronize each player's position far too often. So I massively reduced that and only synchronize position and rotation of each player when it's really needed. By doing that, I reduced the server load by more than half. Then, I had to deal with the issue that due to the reduced amount of player position synchronizations, the movement of other players seemed kinda laggy, since the movement delta is too big to look fluent now. So I implemented a script that instead of directly setting the player position, I basically set a target position and slowly move the player towards it. But let's have a quick look at the script. First, I set the interpolation target whenever I receive a position from the server. Then, I determine the move delta, which is simply put the direction times the magnitude, like the distance, the interpolation speed I want to apply, times time.delta time, which essentially is nothing else than the time passed since the last calculated frame. Then I just compare whether the move delta is bigger than the distance to the object itself. If that's the case, I just snap it to the position, and else I apply the move delta. Alright, that's it for this devlog everyone. As always, I'll leave you with another small gameplay clip that shows a couple changes. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and have a great day.